Here's how to decrease picture size fast and easy. Find the image you want to make smaller and right-click on it. Look for Edit with Photos in the menu, or hover over Open with, and pick Photos if you don't see the first option. The Photos app opens up and you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner. Click those and Resize Image pops up in the dropdown. Now you've got 2 solid ways to shrink that file down. Change the actual dimensions when you need specific measurements. This automatically cuts the file size. Or switch it to JPG format and drag that quality slider until you're happy. The best part is seeing exactly how much smaller your file gets before you even save it. Hit save in Windows makes a new copy while your original stays exactly the same. Smart move by Microsoft, honestly. I've found that Windows Photos works great for quick fixes, but sometimes you want more control over compression. TinyPNG became my go-to for this reason. Search for it in your browser. It's completely free and handles PNG, JPG, and WebP files, despite what the name suggests. You literally just drag your image into that big box on their homepage. Upload happens fast, compression is automatic, and the quality stays surprisingly good. Most images lose 50 to 80% of their file size without looking any different to your eyes. Download button appears when it's done processing. Now here's where things get interesting if you're dealing with multiple images. Doing them one at a time gets tedious real quick. IrfanView solved this problem for me years ago, and I still use it today. Download it from their official site. It's free and reliable. Open IrfanView and head to File, then Batch Conversion/Rename. This feature handles multiple images in one shot. Click Add and select every image you want to process. Pick your output format from the dropdown. Want to change dimensions too? Hit that Advance button for resize options. Check the resize box and punch in your numbers. Percentages work great, or go with exact pixels if you're picky about dimensions. Choose where to save everything, or stick with the default temp folder. Click Start Batch and watch every image get processed in seconds. Your choice really comes down to what you're trying to accomplish. Each method takes seconds once you know what you're doing.